General knowledge quiz. If you can't get 7 out of 7, then you should go back to school. First one. What is the capital of France? Paris. Second one. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. Third one. What planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. Like the video, if you have everything right so far. Fourth one. How many continents are there on Earth? 7. Fifth one. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. If you haven't already, tap that follow button for more daily quizzes. Sixth one. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Pacific Ocean. Before the last one, don't forget to tell me your score in the comments. Seventh one. What is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale.